design. Happy Thanksgiving. This is my project for the Authentique team group post for Thanksgiving. We're all sharing this week wonderful inspiration for your Thanksgiving gatherings. And I've created another one of these Z-fold cards. I just love this, a double Z-fold. I just love this design. And there is a tutorial which I will link to below so you can make the base yourself. It uses different papers, but you can just see how to make the base and how easy it is. So this is exciting. I got to play with Authentique's brand new calendar collection. And I have to tell you, Samantha Cornell at Authentique is a genius. She is just a creative genius. She has put together probably the best calendar collection I have ever seen. And it's broken up by month, which is wonderful. And this is November. So as you can see, you get this wonderful cut apart sheet with the calendar, sentiments, tags, little icons, tickets, stamps, and then the back side of it is these fabulous patterns, all hued to work together. And then you also get a wonderful cut apart image sheet with just the most gorgeous fall images. And this is what the back side of that sheet looks like. So if you're a card maker, how perfect is this for making cards? I love that. And if that's not enough, we all love Authentique plaid, and it also comes with this gorgeous plaid, and on the back side is a wonderful print that coordinates perfectly. Are you loving this? I'm loving this. And if that's not enough, you also get matching plain cardstock sheets. So brown on one side, gold on the other. And this together means you can put together a folio, you can put together album spreads, you can make a ton of cards, you can, I mean, the sky's the limit here. So I'm very excited about this collection, and I used it to make this little Grateful Hearts Z-fold folio. So I've layered this up with a die cut, some really gorgeous glitz ribbon from Really Reasonable Ribbon, some flowers from my stash, some of my vintage buttons, a little copper brad, and then look at this leaf. This is from, I believe, Butterbee Scraps, and it is gorgeous. It's kind of an antique bronze, but I treated it with burnt copper leaves embossing powder from Emerald Creek, and then I tapped it with various distress paints to make it look like an autumn leaf. So this is why I love this design. It opens out, and it's just so dramatic. It'll stand up for display, so that's a wonderful thing. And then it has all these great little panels. This is a great way to use up little bits and pieces, but this design is also perfectly suited to this calendar collection. So I've just created like a little mini album here with the papers, did some fussy cutting, cut out the little titles, and then in this pocket I created a little tea wallet with a little tag and a little gift card inside. You could also tuck other little treats in here, but how cute is this? I'm just loving it. And then this Z-fold also gives you all this real estate on the back side. So you could put a photo here, room for journaling here, more beautiful sentiments and images, and I just love this. I love, love, love it. This is open at the top so your photo can slip back behind. How great would this be to just snap the family photo at Thanksgiving, put it in here, and then you've got this keepsake that you can bring out from year to year. So I do have a linked supply list and more details on my blog at kathybydesign.com, and I'm wishing you all a very happy and safe and thankful Thanksgiving. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna go get my craft on.